Could immersing yourself in freezing cold water actually boost your mood, energy, and overall health? Welcome to the Cold Plunge Journey, a wellness trend taking the world by storm. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the science, benefits, and real-life transformations of this invigorating practice. Cold water immersion triggers the body's natural stress response in a healthy way. It stimulates circulation, activates brown fat for energy, and releases endorphins, the same feel-good chemicals your brain produces during exercise. Studies also suggest cold plunges may reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and even boost mental resilience. Think of it as a natural reset button for your body and mind. Meet Alex, who decided to take the 30-day cold plunge challenge. Initially, the shock of freezing water was intense, shivering, fast heartbeat, and racing thoughts. But after a week, something incredible happened. Energy levels skyrocketed, focus improved, and mood stabilized. By the end of the month, Alex felt stronger, calmer, and more resilient both physically and mentally. Cold plunges aren't just a challenge, they're a transformative experience. Ready to try it yourself? Start slowly. Begin with just 30 seconds in cool water, gradually lowering the temperature and increasing duration. Breathe deeply to manage the initial shock. Consistency is key. Daily or every other day, plunges work best. Pair it with mindfulness or breath work for maximum mental benefits. And remember, always consult your doctor if you have heart or circulation concerns. The cold plunge is not just a test of courage, it's a science-backed wellness tool. The cold plunge journey is more than a wellness trend. It's a way to challenge yourself, boost resilience, and unlock new energy. Will you take the plunge and see how your body and mind transform? Like, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge wellness experiments and science-backed health tips.